Hey YouTube, how's it going? My name is Jonathan, and in this video I've got a really exciting short update for you. Apple's reportedly about to unveil 2 new iPads, which could actually be in stores in just a couple of weeks. According to the French website Consomac, 2 devices have popped up in documents filed by the Eurasian Economic Commission, which is an official regulator that requires devices to be registered before release in the region. This document doesn't name iPads specifically, but it lists Apple products A1954 and A1893, which are allegedly tablets running iOS 11. For those hoping the Face ID notch sporting iPad Pro is imminent though shouldn't get too excited. They're not expected to launch for release until the latter half of 2018, and the models referred to in the documents are much more likely to be 2018 refreshes of the entry-level iPad, or possibly even a new iPad mini. The timing certainly seems right, and with the 2017 model launching in March last year, the mini is definitely due for a refresh. It's unlikely that Apple's going to be holding an event to announce the new iPads though. It's much more likely that it'll just be a soft launch, seeing them appear on the Apple Store websites around the globe instead. This is definitely not going to be competing with really flagship products like the Galaxy S9, but it is nice to see that Apple will be updating their iPads soon, and I'm still hoping for some really more impressive releases coming around the corner as well. With that said, let me know what you'd like to see in Apple's updated iPads in the comment section down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and with that said, I will see you next time.